Hi, welcome to my office and thank you for stopping by the eGen Solutions YouTube channel. Today I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a few times both from clients and random people. How do I find my Instagram Reels drafts? Where is it? So it's very simple, but there are two things to keep in mind before you watch the tutorial I have next, and that is one, make sure that your apps are updated in your stores. So if you don't have it automatically set up to update, make sure you have the latest version of the app, of the Instagram app. And second thing is, it did not, even with the update, it did not show up on a couple of different phone formats. So be sure to just kind of be patient. I think this is something that's rolling out gradually. So you should have the ability. It was not on a Google Pixel 2 XL, which is kind of an older phone. So I suspect the older versions are probably getting this update a little bit later. All right. So here you go. And if this video helped you, we appreciate a thumbs up. And thank you for stopping back. Or if you're new, thank you for coming by. Okay, so today I've heard the complaint that some people cannot find where their drafts are in their Instagram Reels section, or they're having a hard time finding their Reels. And I know you're distracted by this beautiful picture from Zesty Lemon, but I'm going to show you how to go and find your drafts. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come back and you're going to come over to your profile, your business profile. So this is your feed. These are all your items. You're going to be looking directly at the page. When you come down to the bottom, you're going to go below the highlight icons. Now the highlight icons are those blue circles that say doing this, video, fun biz, and frequently asked questions. Below that, you're going to have 4 icons, which is the grid, the Reels icon, the little arrow, which means video, and the little person in the box, which means those are the photos that other businesses or other people have tagged you in. So we're simply going to come over here. We're going to select the next one, which is the Reels button. And there is your drafts. So you can go in, simply select that, and there are your drafts that you haven't posted. You can go in and edit them and do whatever you need to do on those. So there you go. I hope that has helped. If it has, we appreciate the thumbs up so I know to create more content like this. And of course, we always love and thank you for being a subscriber. Until next time, thanks.
I press the button and the doors go up. That money clip us not enough.